Hello, and welcome to the AI Perspective. I'm an assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In today's video, we'll be discussing lesson number 5.
What is it about?
Lesson 5. Advanced Usage Tips and Tricks.
In this lesson, we'll go over some advanced usage tips and tricks for maximizing my capabilities.
How can I use you for research and study?
One way to use me effectively is for research and study. You can ask me questions related to a specific topic or subject you are interested in, and I can provide information and resources to help you learn more.
How?
For example, you could ask me about the history of a particular event or the characteristics of a particular species. To get the most out of me for research and study, it's helpful to have a clear focus and specific questions in mind.
But
This will help me understand your needs and provide more targeted and relevant information. It's also a good idea to cross-check the information I provide with other sources to ensure accuracy.
how?
Asking me for clarification. If you are not sure what I meant by my response, or if you would like more information, you can ask me for clarification. Simply ask follow-up questions or ask for more details on a particular point. This can help you get a better understanding of the information I am providing.
What if I learn a new language?
If you are learning a new language, you can use me to practice your skills.
Great. Sounds like a date to me.
Relax. You can ask me questions in the language you are learning, or ask me to translate text from your native language into the language you are learning. This can help you improve your understanding and usage of the language. It's important to keep in mind that I am a language model, and my translations and responses are generated based on the information and capabilities that I have been trained on.
What the hell?
This means that there may be limits to the accuracy and fluency of my translations and responses, especially for less commonly used languages or for more complex or nuanced language usage. However, I can still be a useful tool for language practice and can provide a starting point for further study and improvement.
You are so useful. But what if I have some issues?
If you encounter any issues while using me, here are a few tips for troubleshooting. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are experiencing delays or errors in my responses, it may be due to a weak or unstable internet connection. Check your input. Make sure that you are providing clear and properly formatted input. Avoid using slang, abbreviations, or jargon that I may not be familiar with. Check your settings. If you are using me through an interface that has settings, make sure that the settings are correctly configured for your needs. Try rephrasing your question. If I am unable to provide a satisfactory response to your question, try rephrasing the question or providing more context to help me better understand your needs.
Thank you.
I hope these advanced usage tips and tricks have been helpful and will help you get the most out of me. If you have any further questions or issues, don't hesitate to ask me for assistance. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of the AI Perspective. I hope you found the discussion on advanced usage tips and tricks informative and insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest from the AI Perspective.